Hello, my name's Alison Turner and I'm head of the Commercial Property Department here at Taylor Bracewell. Perhaps the first question to answer is, what is a lease? So a lease is basically a right to occupy somebody else's property on payment of a rental. But there are some important terms in any lease, and the ones that I think are the key ones are the repairing obligation, any rent review provisions, and also any break clauses. So the main thing to look out for when looking at these particular terms is if you see the phrase FRI, which means full repairing lease, then that means that the tenant were responsible for all repairs to the property. And that can include the roof. So it's important to understand what that entails. Looking at rent review, this will be applicable on a longer lease and is usually based upon the open market rental value. It's usually at say year 3 or year 5. Turning then to break clauses, this is often again applicable to a longer lease, and it's usually a tenant's only right to break at a set time during the lease on notice. So it's really important, if you're a tenant, to make sure that your lease does get reviewed by a solicitor. Here at Taylor Bracewell we have a vast amount of experience of doing this, and we know the key things that tenants are going to be concerned about, so we can always help. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it very helpful. The next step is really to give us a ring for a friendly, no obligation chat.